Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, this is yet another one of those videos where the picture is the narrative of the video, but I came across this picture, this image that you're looking at on your screen, and some thoughts struck me and I wanted to share those thoughts with you. So some of the thoughts might sound a bit tenuous, but go with the flow and see if you're flowing with the reasoning that I am presenting to you. So I'll give you the headline for the picture first. Salah, lovely photo of President Buhari and his children. So that's the headline. Salah, lovely photo of President Buhari and his children. President Buhari pictured above as is being dressed by his children, Yusuf, Hannah and Amina, ahead of Salah homage in his Daura home today, August the 12th. So that's just the sum up of that picture, and really, as I said, the picture is the narrative. But then of course the caption for the picture is really what struck me, and particularly where it says Malam Buhari being dressed by his children. Now of course we can just see that this is just a contrived photo opportunity just for their Salah, whatever it is, but is really now begging the question about how competent this guy is in terms of his physicality, because this does not strike me as a man that has the full function of all of his limbs and all of the functionalities of his physical being. So then what level of input is he having really in terms of expert input to get him together to prepare him for the day? Because of course this is a very old man. This is a man in his 80s who has gone through one of the most debilitating conditions that anybody can go through. We all remember what happened to him in 2015. So now what level of input does he even have to function? What level of medication is required to get this guy out of bed, even never mind him being able to dress himself? And believe you me, this is a man that cannot dress himself anymore. There's absolutely no question about that. So there's a nursing team that is on standby to wash and bathe this guy and then dress him, and then they prep him up and prop him on a seat, and then he reads out these ludicrous things that he reads out in his rather funny voice, difficult to understand, the federal government and whatnot. So now really it is really the undertones, or really the imageries and the thoughts that this image excites in the mind, especially in my mind, that is the precursor for this video. And I'm now inviting you now to have your input into your readings of this image. What does this image conjure up in your mind? Conversations in the comment section is what I am inviting. Does Malam Buhari have full function of his being is the topic of our discussion, and what level of input does he need to get himself together? Because I personally am of the view that he cannot bathe or clothe himself by himself. I'm absolutely of that view. There's nothing that can change my mind on that. But what is on your mind? Conversations in the comment section, as I said. But before you come join me in the comment section to have that conversation, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come share thoughts with me in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, carry on with you there. But here I say peace.